What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie. It is currently 2:37. It is Saturday. What day is it? January 24th. This is going to be a prep with me for the winter storm that we are getting, as well as like a little spend the weekend with me. I know I showed y'all like a couple of clips of me at work. Well, one clip really. I didn't film a lot. I actually left pretty good this morning. I don't know how much we made. We had 2 parties and both of them left us just decent. So I know we made almost 100 from both of them. But I don't know. I just don't think people are tipping that much today. So I just don't really know how good it's gonna be. But I need to get back out there. So I will come talk to y'all again later. I actually left 2 hours earlier. Right now I'm outside the nail salon. I was gonna wait for my mom to get here, but I think I'm about to just go in. I will say I did make $186 at work today, and I didn't work as long as I was supposed to, so that's pretty good actually. Yeah, you guys, so what we have to do today, we're gonna go get our nails done, then we have to go to the grocery store because I need to get some groceries for the house just in case we do actually get stuck in the house. And then I need to go to the tobacco store for the same reason. I need to buy extra backwoods and wallpapers and all that good stuff. So that's like the prep that we're gonna do. So that is what we're gonna be doing after the nail salon. Let's go inside though, y'all. Okay, guys, I am out of the nail salon. Here is what my nails look like. We are now at Food Line, so let's hurry up and let's go in here and finish the shopping because I'm not in the mood. We're back in the car. It says it's 28 degrees outside, but I bet you it feels colder than that because there is like a wind chill. Somebody else is backing up. But we're finna head towards where I live. We just got out of Food Lion. I don't know how good of footage I got for y'all because it was really, really busy in there. And I'm still scared to film in public. So like I said, I don't know how much good footage I got for y'all, but I did film some. But yeah, let's go to the tobacco store, y'all, and get these woods and these papers. I just spent $70 in Food Lion, so pretty much all that money I made today, gone.